These are the True Sea Moss drops, and this is the apple flavor. These are really cool. So this is what the dropper looks like. It's got a nice green color in it. So you could do it a couple ways. You can put it right on your tongue. And it tastes like a green Jolly Rancher. Does that taste like a green Jolly Rancher or like a lollipop?
Yes.
I know, it's really, really good. Now, you would want to actually take like quite a lot of this with the drops. Hold on. Or you can take a glass of water, drop it in. Hold on. See, kids love this stuff.
Can I just sip it?
Yeah, sip it. But actually, you won't even taste it in water. It's just going to taste like regular water. Go ahead and drink it. Do you even taste it? Doesn't it just taste like regular water?
No, it doesn't, but it smells awesome.
See, I don't even taste it, but it's delicious.
It
just tastes like, yeah, it smells good, but it just, to me, it just tastes like regular water. So,
yeah.
So easy to have. But yeah, if you just want like just a straight drop, okay, I'll give you one more drop. It's good, right? It's like candy. So it's a great way to get your sea moss. Delicious. If you like that tart, kind of like sour apple punch, you're going to love, love, love this.